Let's welcome back to my YouTube channel Afra Fenadim. Hello dear guys, Assalamu alaikum. I please kindly request me all dear listeners, please like and subscribe my channel and bell like on the button for more informative video. So today we will solving the second half lecture of bioenergetics. So first MCQs is about the mechanisms of ATP synthesis both in cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation is option number A, electron transport chain, option number B, chemiosmosis, option number C, Z scheme, option number D, photolysis. So mechanism of ATP synthesis in both cyclic and non-cyclic is same in chemiosmosis. Chemiosmosis is the process in which the ATP is synthesized through the ATP synthesis. Visible light is ranging from, so say this is the simplest MCQs from Federal Punjab book. That's is correct option is A, B, 380 to 750 nanometer. One of the following reaction does not require light energy directly. So light or dark reaction. Dark reaction, also known as Kelvin cycle. This does not require direct energy. But in this process, the synthesized ATP and NADPH molecules required to further proceed the reaction. So option number B is correct here. Sugar is formed during light-dependent reactions. In light-dependent reaction, only ATP and NADPH is formed. Option number B, light-independent reaction. Yeah, this is a correct answer. In light-independent reaction or Kelvin cycle, the glucose molecule is formed or phosphoglycerol aldehyde molecule formed. Question number 66. The cycle series of reaction catalyzed by respective enzyme by which of the carbon is fixed and reduced, resulting the synthesis of photosynthesis is option number A, Z scheme, option number B, Calvin cycle, option number C, Van Neel hypothesis, option number D, Hill's reactions. So Z scheme is that in which the electron can be proceed from high energy level to low energy level through the electron transport system. So this not catalyzed any enzymes. Option number B is correct here because in Kelvin cycle this reaction is proceeded by the fixation of atmospheric carbon dioxide, and this fixed with the help of Rubisco enzyme, and many different enzymes can be proceed the reaction to the product of phosphoglycerol aldehyde. So option number B is correct here. Question number 67. The path of carbon in dark reaction of photosynthesis was discovered by. So this is a correct option, option number B, because only carbon dioxide is fixed during the Kelvin pathway. Phytol is attached to, and the chlorophyll molecule is composed of two mainly parts, the porphyrin ring and phytol tail. Hydrophilic part of the chlorophyll is known as porphyrin ring, and phytol is insoluble and hydrophobic part of the cells. So only one of the pyrrole ring, and 2 pyrrole ring, 3 pyrrole ring, all of 4 pyrrole ring. So as we know that chlorophyll molecule is composed of 4 porphyrin ring, in which out of 1 porphyrin ring the phytol hydrocarbon tail is attached. So option number A is correct here. The Kelvin cycle occur in this question is mainly asked in MDCAT in different tests. So option number A is correct. Kelvin cycle is occur in stroma, while the light dependent reaction occur in grana or thylakoid in cytoplasm. In the respiration process, the series breakdown of carbon chain molecules occur in cytoplasm and thylakoid membrane. So question number correct answer is A. The photosynthesis taking place in water. So as we know that algae and cyanobacteria are the main proceed oxygen in atmospheric that produce 90% oxygen in atmospheric. Question number 71. The incorporation of carbon dioxide into the organic material is referred to. So the first reaction of Melvin-Calvin cycle, that is carbon fixation, in which the oxaloacetate 4-carbon compound is fixed with acetyl coenzyme A with the help of Rubisco coenzyme. So this is a carbon fixation process. How many molecules of carbon dioxide required to produce one molecule of triose carbohydrates? So as we know that during the Krebs cycle, only 3 carbon dioxide is combined with a 5 carbon molecule of ribulose bisphosphate to proceed 2 molecules of triose. So option number B is correct here. 3. The enzyme responsible for carbon fixation is, so everyone is that correct option is C, Rubisco. The product of carbon fixation in a step of Calvin cycle is the carbon fixation. As we know that the product of carbon fixation in the step of Calvin cycle, as we know that ribulose bisphosphate is fixed with atmospheric carbon dioxide. So option number A is correct here. To form a citrate or citrate. Question number 75. The Calvin cycle is also known as option number A C3 pathway, option number B C4 pathway, option number C Krebs cycle, option number C glycolate cycle. So option number C is correct here. It's also known as C3 pathway. The carbohydrate proceed in the Calvin process is, so as we know that when carbon dioxide is combined with a 4-carbon compound oxaloacetate, it forms a citrate, and citrate, the isomerization of citrate is occur and it will convert it into the isocitrate. By adding the ATP, isocitrate is converted into the alpha keto. Isocitrate is converted into the alpha ketoglutarate 5-carbon compound, and alpha ketoglutarate is furtherly G3P molecule is proceed, and G3P molecule is converted into the 1,3,6-phosphoglycerate, and finally it will convert into glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. So option number C is correct here. The sugar formed during the glycolysis and reduction of phase of that reaction of photosynthesis. So the sugar that is produced during the glycolysis, it's 2 molecules of triose sugar, first glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone. So option number A is correct here. The energy and reducing power of ATP and NADPH are a product of light reaction is stored in glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate that is produced during the Melvin-Calvin cycle. I kindly request all the listeners again, please like and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. For every 3 molecules of carbon dioxide entering into the Calvin cycle and containing 3 molecules of ribulose bisphosphate, how many glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate are produced? So as we know that 3 carbon dioxide molecule combined with a 3 phosphate, it forms a 6 carbon dioxide, so 6 molecule of glyceraldehyde triose sugar is formed. Question number 1800. Out of 6 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate G3P produced during the reaction phase Calvin cycle, how many molecules of leave the cycle by using the plant for making the glucose? As we know that 6 molecules of glyceraldehyde is proceed and 1 molecule is removed from the cycle. So option number A is correct here. How many molecules of brassylide phosphate is recycled to generate 3 molecules of ribulose bisphosphates? So option number C is correct, as we know that 1 is removed, so remaining is 5. 82. The cell that control the entry of CO2 into the leaves is known as, so this is the simplest answer, that's a Gurate cell. The condition of stomata of night is, so as we know that stomata is at night it is partially closed, so option number C is correct here. Respiration is release a great deal with the energy couples some energy in the formation of which of the following. So as we know that on electron transport chain 3 molecules of ATP produced from NADPH. So yeah, this is the correct. The condition is stomata and it is completely open. The complete breakdown of glucose occur in the presence of following. In the presence of oxygen, glucose molecule is completely break down into the 2 molecules of pyruvate, which is 3 carbon containing compounds. Light reaction of photosynthesis involves photolysis, photophosphorylation, assimilation. So all of these are correct here. Splitting of sugar